Joseph and Chris, I've brought his monitor down from upstairs, so it's a bit better, as you can see a bit better now. So Joseph's having a go now on Portal 2. Let's have a look at that. So that's very impressive. That's only running at about 47 degrees.
Well, I'm back. The aerial faceplate in here is sending a distress signal. You broke it, didn't you? There, try it now.
I was just lying there. You thought I was...
This plate must not be calibrated to someone of your generousness. I'll add a few zeros to the maximum weight. You look great, by the way. Very healthy. Try it now.
Word, right? Couldn't believe it either.
You seem to have defeated its load-bearing capacity. Well done. I'll just lower the ceiling.
And the whole point of the game is, it's because there's portals, as you can tell, because that's the name of the game, and you can put a portal here and put a portal there, and then you use this, get up through the portal, and then you come out this way. And then we're up here, from down there, because of portals.
Yeah, very good. No lag whatsoever, Joe.
Yeah, you can like go through walls and everything.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, very good. So that's on the My64 AMD 5 Ryzen 3400G with integrated graphics.
Yeah.
The thing to bear in mind here is that this is all through this. So that's, you know, it's really just very good indeed. You know, so it's performing really, really well.
What is occurring? Aha, the stairs. So we need to shoot ourselves there somehow.
So there we go, Joe and I just sussed out how to get the frame rate on there. That's obviously jittering around, but it's like flicking between 50 and 60 frames a second.
Which is fine.
Which is pretty good, really. So, yeah. Really good, very responsive, no lag whatsoever. Perfect. Joe just completed a level.
Enjoy this next test. I'm going to go to the surface.
We were just
It's a
discussing this.
beautiful
This
day
is
out.
playing as good, if not better, than it did on PlayStation, Joe.
Yeah. PlayStation 3 at that. This thing
Yeah.
is way more powerful than the PlayStation 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Yesterday I saw a deer. If you solve this next test, maybe I'll let you ride an elevator all the way up to the break room. And I'll tell you about the time I saw a deer again.
Brilliant, Joe. The sound is actually coming from my Beats by Dr. Dre speaker.
Whoa!
Frame rate's still up there. It's flickering round. You can't really see it too heavily. It's about 50 to 60 frames a second. Yeah, really, really good. Wow. So we're still playing Portal 2. Frame rates just up in the high 50. Quite an old game now, but still
I'll
a
be
good
right
game.
back. Don't touch anything.
Plays brilliantly well. Yeah.
Hey, crime, yeah. See you in court, mate. Anyway, look, just hang in there for 5 more chambers.
It's good, isn't it? It's quite an amusing game as well. So what level are you up to now, Joe?
I don't actually know. I started in the middle of the game because I didn't really want to replay up to 100 parts.
And you have been asleep for a while, so I guess it's actually pretty funny when you do the math.
Yeah, it's doing very well. Yeah, it's still running really well. Temperature is getting up there occasionally, but it's just performing so well. Yeah, very good. There it is. There's Joseph looking away. come on. Who's the daddy?